We're here inside of Mohawk College's School of Health, and Mohawk College is actually going to be hosting an open house starting this Saturday at all 4 of their campuses. So if you're interested in a career in health, you can come on down, say hello, and learn a little bit, right, Vanessa?
Yes, exactly. So our students here are part of the Medical Radiation Sciences program at Mohawk College. The program is generalized in their first year, and then they have to select one of 3 streams at the end of that first year. So they can decide to go into ultrasound, radiation therapy, which are our students here today, or radiography.
So when people come here for the open house, what are they actually going to see? Can they interact with the professor, with the students, and ask a lot of questions if they want to get into this career?
Exactly. So our open house is on November 4th here, and our students and faculty will be here answering questions in the CT area, our other lab spaces, so our X-ray rooms, our radiation therapy simulation space, and our MRI unit will all be available for touring, and then for faculty to answer any questions and the students to give their experience in the program right now.
So some of these students right now, tell me what they're doing, and this is actually what they can come and learn about and perhaps choose this as a career, right?
Correct. So our students in the 3rd year of the program, if they've decided to do radiography or radiation therapy, they will do CT courses. So they'll learn the theory behind CT, and they'll also get hands-on practice. So right now our students are positioning our phantom patient here, Pixie. So Pixie is the patient that the students will practice on. They learn how to scan different body parts, proper positioning of the patient, how to select protocols, change parameters, and then any image reconstructions that they'll typically see in the clinical environment.
And then finally, if students want to have a career in the health sciences, is it in demand? Are they going to get a job when they graduate?
Yes, very in demand right now, especially post-pandemic. Lots of job opportunities for students, lots of different areas they can work. So students can work in cancer clinics through the radiation therapy students, hospitals, clinics. They can get into sales afterwards, or they can decide to do research and continuing on with their studies.
Thank you very much, Vanessa, from the Mohawk College School of Health. The open house at Mohawk College starts this Saturday and lasts for a week. We will have more Morning Live coming up a little bit later. We're continuing our tour of Mohawk College's School of Health, and the reason why is Mohawk actually has 4 campuses in the Hamilton area, and starting this Saturday, they're going to have an open house so you can visit some of their campuses, find out some of the programs they have, like this one right here. Jamie, you're a professor with Mohawk. Can you tell me what's going on right here, right now?
Sure, thanks. So this is the diagnostic cardiac sonography program. In the lab today, the students are working on the skills that they will need to perform ultrasounds of the heart, which is also called an echocardiogram, in the clinic or hospital setting.
And these are actually some of Mohawk's students right now, and this is what the students will be doing if they become part of the program, right?
This is exactly what they'll be doing. So we have a great setup in here. This is a lab that simulates the hospital environment, and so they're able to come in and practice their skills in a low pressure setting so that when they go out into the clinical world, they have those skills developed, and then they can apply them to the general population.
So if people are watching at home and they're thinking, maybe I want to get into this industry, the open house is really an opportunity to do that, right? They can talk with you, the professors, interact with some of the students. That's really what the open house is for, right?
Yeah, it's a great time for them to come in and see the space we have, see all the equipment that we use, and ask any questions they might have about how to get into the program.
And right now you're looking at her heart. Should we go ahead and do it and have a look at my heart?
That'd be great.
And I have already consented to this, so let's go ahead and do it.
Okay. Heather, can we sneak in for a second?
I didn't want to move.
No, you didn't.
So hopefully it actually shows up on screen. Let's take a look.
So I'm just going to clean the wand off for us. No. Good question, though, Anna.
How is that, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Technically, you're supposed to put ECG leads on too.
See, she's a great student, eh?
My turn now.
Okay, so if we want to, we can do this view in the top of your neck. It's called the suprasternal notch, and it gives us a view of the aorta that comes out of the heart. I have a little bit of gel on the top of the camera, the ultrasound probe, and that's going to go right here on your neck. It shouldn't feel painful or like pressure or anything, so just let me know. And if you'd like to tuck this just into the top of your shirt, then it keeps you nice and clean. And you'll see the image come up here. Okay, ready?
Ready. All right, I'm not really sure if that looks...
There we go.
There we go. So this is really what the open house is all about. For students, potential students to come here, ask questions, and interact. So the Mohawk College open house starts on Saturday, lasts for a week. For more information, you can check out their website. We will have more Morning Live coming up next. So if you're thinking about a career change, or maybe you're a recent graduate from high school and don't really know where to start, well, Mohawk College actually has 4 campuses in the Hamilton area, and starting this Saturday, there's going to be an open house for all of their programs. Part of their open house includes the School of Health. Angela is one of the professors at Mohawk College, so can you tell me what these students are doing right now?
We're excited to have you here in our lab. So this shows you a little bit about pharmacy technician from the hospital perspective of it. So our students, we teach them how to handle needles and syringes using aseptic technique.
And this is really like when students come to the open house, they can actually see some of the other students working,
Yes.
ask questions to the professor, right?
Yes, yeah. So we leave out some examples of things that we work with. We show them what kind of skills they learn, things that people don't really expect from pharmacy technicians.
I was just saying that too. We were chatting pharmacy tech. You expect maybe you'll get a job at a pharmacy, but really pharmacy technicians can end up in the hospital too, right?
That's exactly right. I personally have been at Hamilton Health Sciences for 35 years as a pharmacy technician. So it is a wonderful career. And then again, you get the opportunity to come back and teach at the college.
So let's talk about that. Mohawk is having an open house this Saturday starting for a week. If students are interested in a career as a pharmacy tech, how long is the program? Is the career really in demand?
Yeah, it actually is in very high demand, especially in the hospital portion. It is a 2-year program, 4 semesters, and it is a diploma program. And we do teach them both sides, the community perspective, but I specialize in the hospital end of it. So yeah, it's a great career. I've been doing it for a very long time.
So Mohawk College is having an open house for a week. It actually starts this Saturday. For more information on all of the programs, including the specific dates for the open house, you can visit Mohawk College's website, and you can also sign up online right there. We'll have more Morning Live coming up next. So if you're thinking about a career change, or maybe you're a recent graduate from high school and don't know where to begin, well, Mohawk College is actually having an open house starting this Saturday. It's going to last a week. They have 4 campuses in the Hamilton area. This is Mohawk College's School of Health. Nate, we are here in the Simulation Center, right?
Yeah, you got it. We just actually had our grand reopening. So this is Mohawk College's Center for Healthcare Simulation and Research.
And can you tell me who's that right over there?
Yeah, that's our baby, one of our high-tech baby simulators. So right now, she's named Violet, and these 2 students are actually participating in simulation. So the goal of simulation, oh, she's crying on us.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah, well, they're taking good care of her, I think. So the goal of simulation is these nursing students will learn all of their skills in lab, and then this is their time to come to us and put it all together in one space. So they come, they use their thinking skills, and kind of put it all together in a big show.
So if potential students are interested in a career, they can come here over the open house on that specific date and really interact with yourself, professors, and students, and ask a lot of questions,
Absolutely.
right?
We'll have the whole Sim Center open. You can come interact. Would you like to give it a try?
Sure, yeah.
Sure. I can give you that. You
All
can
right.
put that in your ears there and give her a listen. Let me know what you hear.
And I'm listening for a heartbeat?
Yeah, heartbeat, lung sounds. So
Having
give her
a heartbeat is probably a good thing?
probably a good thing.
All
So
right.
let me know.
Let's see. Nothing yet. I don't think I'm doing a very good job if there's
You're
not
doing
a heartbeat.
great.
So will this be some of the things that potential students can come in and interact with?
Absolutely. So she's one of our favorites, of course, one of our smallest mannequins, but one of our favorites. And so it's a great opportunity to come by and to see and to practice your skills.
I think I will stick with television based on my experience that I can't find a heartbeat with a simulator baby. So Mohawk College is having their open house. It's going to be lasting a week long. It starts on Saturday at all 4 of their campuses. For more information, you can visit Mohawk College's website, and you can sign up online as well. We'll have more Morning Live coming up next.